There's one coming on our left at the same time as there should be one coming on our right. We're going to have to make a decision right now which one we're going to go with. It's going to be tempting to go with the one we see, but I swear to God there's one coming up on our right and we would have to jump on him. But we might have to jump ship and go after this guy. I can't see the other one. I know it's there. Go with this one. You race this one. You would race this one. You would take it on because it's right there. God, you'd have to turn around, and right now you'd have to use your backwards momentum that you had from coming the other direction, try to use it to get in front of him. But if, by chance, that one is still on the road, now you have about 5 seconds to catch your breath. It is. You can't be thinking about that loss. All right, that was because we lost the focus coming in. We didn't see it. There it is. I knew it. I probably should have stayed back. That's where now I'm right here. I'm coming up and getting my energy up. He still doesn't see me. Boom! I pop up onto the interstate. I am right next to him now. And look how close he is. Look how slow it is. I don't even know. That's probably coming from. It's got sawdust. It's slowing down with air friction.
Be willing to wait for the trucks, for the semis. Once you get that little itch, once you want one, once you're begging to see one come out on the highway, you're already losing. Here's one. El Diablo. Red cap, white back. This is your classic truck. It's one of the first trucks I ever raced. Let's just take a look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3, that's a 15-wheeler? No, you can't have 15 wheels. Look at that. Did you see that? That's a fantastic truck. Just listen to it. It is not often that a new sport is invented. Spartans threw spears, the Romans had Colosseums, then came National Football League, and now there is truck coming. Truck. There is a horizontal tornado effect right behind a semi-truck. It's called the cone. And your job is not to get swallowed up by that. Caught in its backdraft and shot out. Your job is to stay in front of it. So that's why it is truck coning. The latest, greatest sport in the world. So, you've got your basic semi-truck. It's going to be coming at you at 80 miles per hour. That will give you a rush just when you hear it. 80 miles an hour. Now here you are. At this point, you're only a spectator. You see the truck coming. You make up your mind right away whether you are going to race this truck or whether you're going to sit by, because you cannot wait for the truck to get there when you finally make your move. So at this point, you're going to start jogging. You're going to start picking up just a little bit of pace. I am talking 1 to 2 miles an hour, very slow. You might get right about here. You're going to get a horn. He's going to blast you. It could blow your cap off, but you maintain your focus. Because here's the cone. There's the truck cone. And you don't want the cone to catch you and send you back. You run in front of the truck.
I felt good. Oh, I had a double and I didn't even realize it.
1 for me. 0 for the trucks. That is the goal of truck coning.